up, good people? It's your boy Decent again. So today I've got another topic. How do you start a business? Yes, it's one of the most common questions that we get as entrepreneurs. So you guys, I'm sure that you're going to enjoy this one because I have tried several times and I have been failing in the early days, just like any other person that started a business and fail. And then the most common thing or the most common solution that they think is quitting and find a job, finding employment. Yes, that's what they do, most people. But I was one of the people who said, no, I'm not going to quit. I'm going to continue until I achieve. So what did I started to do? Let me share with you my experiences with this one. By the way, before I started creating my first business, I was actually reading a lot of books, a lot of business books about entrepreneurs, a lot of biographies, and a lot of motivational things that can actually get me started. But I remember that wasn't enough. Yes, that is not enough just reading alone. You need to take action. So I started taking action. But I was making one mistake. I thought that I can do it by my own. Yes, I'm my own boss because I'm an entrepreneur. So I have to do everything by my own. So that's not it. If you are selfish, don't ever think about starting your own business. You get me? Yes, don't think about starting your own business if you are selfish. If you want to achieve great in business, find partners, find trusted people. You know, a business or a company is a group of people working together to create a service or a product. You get it? Yes, that's the meaning. Let me repeat it again. A business or a company is a group of people working together to create a product or a service. There is no better or much better definition of business than that one. If we are a sole person, you will, in most cases, when you are hit by something that is tough, the only thing that you are doing is going to fall. There are some times that I was thinking that I can do it by my own self. I opened a small shop, yes, a small shop of accessories by myself, yes, from in the village where I come from, yes, and then within 2 months, guys, I was broke because there was no extra funds. So what did I do instead? I find some trusted partners. Guys, I'm thinking of this thing. What can we do? I really want to help, and so when I found some trusted group of partners, we raised our money together. We put money into one basket and we start to exchange even ideas, and we're even getting some advices from professionals, people who have done it. I remember my university lecturers were telling me, they were sort of, I've got some other, I remember him by the name, he was Dr. Gumbi. I would go to his office, say, what can I do? I am trying to think of building these things. You see, what can I do? I also have Dr. Msiwa. Yes, I remember them. They were helping me, and I also have some other people who have helping me. I know Mr. Tawanda Zimindo was there to help. Guys, you can also do this. Why don't you think about bringing things to China? How about if you do all those kind of things? You know, by myself, I was alone, but when I tried to find some friends, so I partnered with some few of my college friends, and then we built up a successful thing. Even the times when I myself, when the business was failing, I myself didn't have money, I would get some support from these guys. Even the Bible said 2 is better than 1, you know, a cord of 3 strands. I don't really remember that verse, but what they say is much more stronger than 1. Yes, even 2 are attacked is much more better than if you are 1. Yes, if 1 falls, we will raise another. Find someone. So the message for me is find some trusted partners, advisors, that might be investors, friends, you know, those people. And I'll be telling you, how do you do employee management? How do you manage business without you being physically available at the place? For example, we have some businesses that are running, but I'm not physically involved in those, but we can manage the finances well. Thank you so much for this one. I hope you guys got something that can help you start up whatever you are thinking of starting. Let's meet in the next one. Bye for now.